the in-game light so I can try and talk in in-game?
Ow! Ow! Shit!
I'm cannibal. I'm a cannibal.
And I don't want to ruin the cover. Oh! I got scared.
What happened? Oh, it still made me sick.
Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like that? I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! Oh, you monstrous! Get away, bro! Get away! Oh. Ah. Ow, what the fuck? Who is that? Thank you, Simon. You keep poking him, I'm gonna poke his wives. Oh my god, his wives are fucking... They're man beaters. Do we retreat?
Yeah, we retreat. What about...
Oh my god, I just caught up! I just caught up!
GC, run!
Dude, I keep getting... Oh my god!
Oh god, he came out of nowhere. Oh.
Good morning till like nighttime or how?
Oh my god, Simon, you fucking asshole! You made me... Fuck you! I'm fucking clipping that shit! His fucking glider! He took it off and I crashed into it!
JC.
You fucking piece of shit. Oh my god! My house!
Did you press X?
My house! My house, Puna! My fucking house! My Puna! My house! What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself, Puna? You got like 5 seconds before I fucking tase you right now with my baton. Fucking bitch. I'm locking your ass out now. Fuck you. Spy cabin, dog.
No. You little shit.
Ooh.
JC.
Right next to my fucking side, and all I see is fucking Simon's face. Just fuck you. Oh, he's big.
Oh shit. Wait. Don't. Trust me, I'm a good driver. Trust me. Oh shit, I just realized something. We have to take a detour.
What do you mean we have to take a... No, Simon, no detours.
No. Trust me. Let me cook. Yeah. Oh, I hear the cannibal. Yeah, I'm gonna drive a little quicker than usual. I'm trying my best. It's really hard to drive, you guys. Oh shit. It's fine. Fuck. Just wait. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Trust me. Let me cook. Oh.
Simon, I hear the motherfucker. Oh.
We're just gonna go through these.
Simon.
It's really hard to drive through trees. Okay, shut the fuck up. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah. Fuck. Here, just eat that. Eat the oysters.
Ooh, oysters?
Yeah.
Wow, thanks, fat ass.
What? No. What the?
No. You probably could, but please don't.
Hey, don't make me, bro.
Put the weapon down. Please tell it he's out. Holy shit! Killed me! Holy shit!
Listen to you, little shit. You made me waste creepy armor.
Holy shit!
Here, you can drink water over here. You can drink water here.
Where?
Drink water over there. Yeah, you keep drinking.
You liar!